Araneta Coliseum tayo, ayun, no. Nakita nyo yung dome na yun, Araneta Coliseum. Ganda ng building na to, oh. Diba? Hamdan Street to. Wow. Ay, sarado yung KFC. Nice shot. Bubulol pa ako. Ayan yung ukay-ukay, yung Golden Al Yusuf Center. Eto, marami dyan nakatira mga stewardess. Etihad. Touring around Hamdan Street. Ayan, day to day. I'm here last night. I buy gift for my friend for his wedding. He's here. Street. Nice, huh? Oh, Hamdan Street. Dito pinakamatao, lalo sa gabi. Eh, may hospital dyan, Ahliya Hospital. Tapos ayan, Do Telecom office. Tapos ito, World Trade Center. Ayan, WTC. That's all.